So hi there. Some people email me, ask what equipment I use to do my YouTube videos. It's not very high tech, it's not very expensive, so I'm just going to go through it. The audio, I use this microphone a lot. This microphone here is it's over 15 years old. It's a wireless, it's made by Shure. And like I said, it's not new. It's over 15 years old at least. Next, I bought a high-tech green screen. This green screen here was from Amazon. I think it was like $65, 70 bucks, and that was about it of that. I have two lights that I use, and the camera I use is a small sports style camera. It's made by Shawnee. They call it a YI camera. It's a 4K camera. It's good. It's just like a GoPro except half the price for the same specs. But a lot of people loves GoPro, but I don't like the price. So I have that. The next camera I have just a small Canon camera. That one only does 1920 by 1080, which is fine. That's all we ever use. And the audio, I show you my audio system. The wireless mic, I like it because you can turn your head any way and it's always the same level. What I use on it is a Shure receiver. And like I said, this little set is at least 15 years old. I have it coming out from the 1/4-inch jack up to the recorder. And the recorder can record stereo or mono or ever what you want. I use it. It puts it in the WAV file so that we can use it on Adobe Premiere. Now after we record this, and I'm going to take all 3 SD cards and I'm going to load it in the file and show you how I mix them with Adobe Premiere. Okay, we opened up Adobe Premiere and we have to load the 3 files in. So we're going to load the WAV file in first. We're going to load the one video and audio file in next. And then the other video and audio file from the other camera. So now we need to combine them all and sync them in order so that we can edit. So you got to highlight each one of the files and then you hit right click and you go to create multiple camera source sequence. Click on it. Next thing we're going to do is click on audio. Now what that's going to do is take all 3 different devices and sync them in with the audio track. This is so everything's in sync. And you just click OK. After you do that, it builds another file up with all the tracks. So we're going to grab it and we're going to put it in the work area. So here's all the files. Now what we're going to do, got to do one more thing. Got to right click on the picture, go to display mode, and then click on multiple cameras. Okay, now what we have to do, I got to play this back, but I got to turn off all the audio because it will interfere with how I'm explaining. Okay, now when you play it, as you can see, the pictures here. And what we're going to do, if you want to change cameras, just click on it. There's the other camera, this one, this one. I've done up to 3 cameras before and it works great. So here's that one. Go back and forth. See? That's how easy it is to use Adobe Premiere with multiple cameras and audio sources. And now let's go and hit stop. Now I'm going to back up and I'm going to just hit play again. So watch the screen here on the right hand side. See, it's playing back. It's already done. You already swapped your cameras back and forth and everything else. That's how you edit it with the multiple camera mode with Adobe Premiere. So basically, this is what I was wanting to show you, what I was using, and the Adobe on multiple cameras. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.